How to glow up for summer 2023. Are you ready to feel confident and radiant this summer 2023? Welcome to our ultimate glow up guide, where we'll share some incredible tips to help you look and feel your best this season. First, let's talk about skincare. To achieve that sun-kissed glow, invest in a high-quality exfoliator to remove dead skin cells, followed by a hydrating serum or moisturizer. Don't forget to apply SPF daily to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Next up, hair care. Refresh your look with a fresh haircut or color that suits your personality and style. Additionally, use hair masks and oils to keep your locks healthy, shiny, and manageable all summer long. When it comes to makeup, less is more. Embrace your natural beauty by opting for light, dewy makeup with a focus on highlighting your best features. Swap heavy foundations for tinted moisturizers and use bronzer to achieve a sun-kissed look. Now let's focus on fitness. Set achievable goals and find a workout routine you enjoy to stay motivated. Mix cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises to get a well-rounded glow up that's not just about looks, but also overall health and well-being. Nutrition plays a crucial role in your summer glow up. Load your plate with fresh, colorful fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and limit sugary drinks and processed foods. Your wardrobe can also help enhance your summer glow. Choose clothing that complements your skin tone and body shape, and experiment with fun, bold colors and patterns. Accessorize with statement pieces like sunglasses, hats, and jewelry to elevate your look. Finally, don't forget about self-care. Prioritize sleep, reduce stress, and practice gratitude for a holistic glow-up that shines from within. Embrace every aspect of yourself and enjoy the journey to becoming the best version of you this summer 2023. And we're gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and please comment down below. Let me know what you learned from this video, what was useful, and make sure you subscribe.